Hi there, are you someone who stays outside of India and would like to shop from Indian e-commerce stores like Tata Cliq? Is Tata Cliq mandating for you to have an Indian phone number, an Indian mode of payment, or do you just find it difficult communicating with sellers? This is how Shoppre's personal shopping experience can help you out. Watch to know more.
Go to www.shoppre.com. Log in or sign up if you haven't already with your Gmail account or email address. You will reach your customer dashboard. Click on Place an Order under the Personal Shopper option. Click Next after going through the pricing. Copy-paste your preferred product's URL to the bar. Add details like quantity, size, color, and the price of the product in INR. If this item is not available, we give you two alternatives, either to cancel all items in case you are purchasing more items than one, or cancel this item and go ahead with purchasing the rest. Check if you would be okay with the pricing going higher and by how much. If you are not, you may click the same. This is because there are chances the prices may change by the time we place the order on your behalf. In case you choose 1000 plus, we will go ahead and buy even if the price change is higher than 1000 rupees. Now you will see a payment estimate. Personal shopper fee amounts to rupees 200. We have different payment modes available. You may choose your preferred one. Click on the available offers. If you opt for the Shoppre membership by paying an amount of rupees 3,999 yearly, your personal shopping fee of rupees 200 will be waived off. Else, if you are a first-time user, you can avail a flat rupees 200 off on the order value. As you can see, the price has fallen. Now simply place the order and wait as we send the package to your doorstep.
Happy shopping!